Now you got to remove these screws. Won't be needing those anymore. We'll be removing these screws. There we go. Alright. Now, go ahead and flip over your motherboard and you're going to start getting your screws together. These up will be metal washer on the screw, nylon washer on the screw. Go ahead and line them all up like that. Now you're going to load those into the board like that. Make sure the nylon is on the board. There we go. There. Alright. Now you're going to need small pieces of tape to make sure that these fall off, because you're going to have to put stuff on the other side of the board. Put one piece of tape on each screw to hold it to the board, because you're going to be flipping it over a lot. Alright, now flip your board over, screw should stay in place. You're going to have to repeat. Use nylon washers on the upper side of the board as well. Load those on the other side of the screw. Put those on the other side of the screw. Metal. Nylon. Now you put metal. Metal. So nylon to the motherboard, metal on top of that. So that will go there. But before we put it there, we're gonna put a little more Arctic silver. Arctic silver will go in between the heatsink and the chip. Don't use too much. Just kind of go along the outside of the box. Yep. We're not going to do the other one until here. So this will go here. Make sure it's lined up with all your screws. Then you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. And get ready to screw it in, kind of. Just do it like that. Now, actually, this is the side we should be screwing into. Or we can do it like that, kind of. The screws should, you might be able to just break the tape away. You can usually turn the screw enough to start it, and it'll break away from the tape. You know, just start them up real quick so that you don't have to hold the board so crazy. And get rid of the tape. And finish tightening down. Try to put even pressure. Kind of go around the board, putting a little turn on them. And gradually tighten them down as you go around. You want them fairly tight. Don't use a power drill by any means, but you want them to be pretty tight with your board so they hold your heat sink down. So give them a little turn. Alright, we're going to repeat the process with the other side. Let's see, we're going to do the screws and the washers again. Alright, line up your screws, same thing. It's going to be